Ano eh. Kadag. Oh, inani ready na siya ba? Di na ka magbugkos-bugkos. Ready na siya oh. Costco bele. Costco bele. Jack. Dami chicken sa kakuan no. Mag-okasyon ka o nani. Pero walang uso dire okasyon among steward. That one, salmon.
So that's
Yeah, how many?
8, 12, 16. No, it's cheaper in.
How much you buy in Sainsbury, the two?
In Sainsbury's, it's £4 for two.
For pound, yeah. How much this one?
That's
24.
4, 8, 12, 16. Well, it's 20 quid. It's
Yeah,
30
yeah.
quid here.
Yeah, pack na lang may laba. Put the plastic 2 by 2. Every cook 2, every cook 2.
So I'm not buying
Yeah,
that.
big deer. Here, big my love. Big. Sibas. Yuck. Salmon day. Sibas. Oh my God, 21. Allah, nasa prawns. Nasa prawns. 11? Cheaper, my love. Pero look at the expiry dation.
So it can go in the freezer. Probably separate bag.
But look at the one. 30. Siya. 2030.
Used by.
2030 daw.
Yeah, but it can go in the freezer, Jack, so I'm not worried.
Si 16. Daghan kay siya guys oh. Ay kalami. Wa man na siya gi-shopping oy. Miso diyan trolley. Dakua oy.
We find is the washing up tablets. Paper towels.
Cookies doon kay siya guys oh. Rotisserie chair, poultry, seafoods, meat, beef, lamb cakes, and cookies, bakery pastries. Sama na yung shopping. Yung oras na yung shopping. Dami guys. Kaya siya oh para sa garden ba magkuan. Mag-barbecue. Dugi, muli. Wow. 1,499. Understand with repeat cover. Kanira siya siguro ay labot ni iyang house. Lights. Malamaho. Full down, have careful. Makabay jud kag ahat. Flat lagi. Mana yang color yellow?
Yeah, we've got they glow different colours, but I don't know what the price is.
Ito ay price.
Glow affordable light, £20.
Ah, 20 pounds.
So that's what we've got to spend on a kiddie toy. Really more kiddie toys down here.
Toys for the Tambiolo, the raffle. Toys para ma-inganyo ang mga kids ba i-raffles. Daddy, you buy that raffles. Nice toys. Hindi yan ko ano. Daddy, 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 daddy. Daddy, daddy. Ang laki dito guys sa Costco, oh. Murag Landers sa Philippines. Pero mas malaki pa siguro dito. Complete naman din diri. Grocery, households, garden, clothes.
Kiddie toys.
Kiddie toys.
Like a Christmas toys, we only do the Christmas time.
Ah.
So everything is actually down the back.
Dito manggawas sa Christmas time.
Go and have a look over there if you want.
The Lego coming out.
Kaya important na buy for the tambiolo magod para raffles. Hello guys. Hello, hello. Here my love, need you kag big trolley no. Mag-shopping ka diri, mag-bring you kag trolley kay mga in one way lang ba? Wow, ang shoes, I like the color. Orange, ano na buang naman taning orange oy. Wow, orange. How much to? 39, mahal oy. Poma, pila lang Poma. Nagibiyaan akong steward, mawagtang ta. Mawagtang ta. Nagibiyaan akong steward. Saan lagi sila yung mga sales lady diri? Ubang store, may sales lady, mga big shopping mall, walay sales lady. Diri na amo namin, nagpilo-pilo. Uy, electric fan. Oh, dali. Naghangad-hangad pa na di ay. Nindot pa ng electric pan na bugnaw. Bugnaw sa ko dire good. Atos Pilipinas init man init yapong hangin. Wow, it's gold. In one assorted color.
8 pieces in one.
Yeah. Ito nga tani nilag price ang gawas oy. Like price. La 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 la. Ah, massage my love.
Yeah.
Nice, oh, massage. Nice massage. Kompleto, napay mga kuan diri oh. 3,000. No way. Di mahalin sa Pilipinas kay silver. So, siya pagka-tablet eh. iPad. 1,000 my love. Mahala eh. 239. 974. 649 lang iPad. Shop online. Sa mga toys. $13. O mga friend. O mga like this o toys
What, darling?
for the kids.
Yeah, which one though?
You fine? Na 24, expensive uy. For the boy or girl.
8 plus. 8 plus.
TV na lang i-raffles oh. Lego, oh, dinili. Sus, Lego. How much ilang TV? 1,149. 1,000. 500. 30 plus. 30 plus in person. 200. Ano ba? TV o 200. LG. LG. Hisense. TV guys. Pila sad ni siya ba? White price. Daming TV. Way mga toys there is steward eh. White teeth. Lego. 49. Rocking chair. Para sa kuan.